How to go live on TikTok. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can go live on TikTok very easily. So basically, TikTok doesn't allow you to go live without you have a particular number of followers or something like that. So to get on with that and to solve this problem, you simply need to open up TikTok on your phone or device. Once you're on that, go to the profile section and tap on the three lines on the top right corner. Once you're going to tap on that, simply click on settings and privacy. Now you guys need to scroll down and over here go to the support and about section, and under that section click on report a problem. So once you're going to tap on report a problem, this page is going to be appearing in front of you. Now over here you guys need to find something which is related to live. Over here I can see live. So if I tap on this, I cannot see anything which is related to how to start a live. So you just need to go back and tap on this support ticket on the top right corner. So for that, simply tap on submit a report, and after that, over here, you guys, it will take you to this page where you need to report a problem. So over here, you need to simply paste this up, which says, "Hi, I want to go live on TikTok. Please could you fix this as my viewers would really enjoy it." Write something like that, which tells them that you want to go live. Also attach your account details with it if you want to, and then simply tap on submit. So once you're gonna submit it, the TikTok is gonna be checking in up to your account and see your feedback has been done. Now TikTok will surely reply you as soon as they can. It may take 1 to 2 days, but your problem would be fixed and you would surely be able to go live on TikTok without any problem. So that was for today. Let me know in the comment section below if this video helped you guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.